true that you should only nap for 30 minutes?
Right.
Because anything more is worse?
It will upset your sleep schedule, and then people won't be tired when it's time for them to go to sleep. So a short power nap in the afternoon is okay, maybe 20, 30 minutes, but after that, it probably does more harm than good.
Here we have some other tips for fighting fatigue, and number one is exercising regularly. Even if you're tired, you exercise.
Right, it's counterintuitive, right? Why
Right.
am I going to exercise if I'm tired? But it actually gives you better quality sleep, and it helps your body heal faster. So exercise is really important.
Okay, so we talked about the avoiding naps. I mean, this one goes without saying, quit smoking.
Right, so that's pretty much true for any disease. So yeah, smoking is not good. It does interfere with sleep.
Eat a balanced diet. How important is nutrition?
Yeah, nutrition's important. Certainly, you want to avoid alcohol and caffeine after dinner. That gives people insomnia and they can't sleep. And a low-fat diet has also been shown to give people better quality sleep.
And more importantly, Dr. Forster, ask for help if you're swamped. It's okay.
Right, and like I say, sleep problems are a big thing we see a lot of in the
Right.
office, and people feeling tired. So we can help people sort out how to
Right.
fix the problem.
It makes sense why that's a most searched
Yeah.
question. Now, number 7 on the list of most searched health topics was an interesting one. How long does cannabis stay in your urine? So I would imagine that some people might not feel comfortable asking their
Right.
doctor, but
So the answer for those of you at home, it's probably a few days to even weeks. So
that it stays in your system.
that it will be detectable in a drug test.
Yes,
So-
okay. Now, we're going to do one more health topic before we go to the break. And the 6th most searched question last year was, when does implantation bleeding occur? And I'm sure this is related to pregnancy. I
Right.
remember Googling this when I
Yeah.
was pregnant.
Yeah. Implantation is when the fertilized egg implants in the wall of the uterus. When somebody's pregnant, it's usually 10 to 14 days after fertilization occurs. But the thing to be careful is that's sort of the last thing on the list. If somebody is pregnant and they're bleeding, that needs to be checked out right away by the obstetrician.
But is implantation bleeding something that's common during pregnancy?
It is very common
Okay.
for women to have some bleeding in the first trimester of pregnancy, but that always needs to be taken care of by the doctor to make sure it's not impending miscarriage or something more serious.